Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has called on political appointees in the state to imbibe the virtues of probity and excellent service delivery, as well as uphold the tenets of true democracy as they serve Deltans in their different units for the greater good of the state. The governor gave the charge last week in Asaba at the inauguration of chairmen and members of the Delta State Independent Electoral Commission, Delta State Contributory Health Commission, Delta State Capital Territory Development Agency, and the Oborevwori and Environs Development Agency.
On two different occasions last week, the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, inaugurated chairmen and members of several commissions and agencies in the state to champion the implementation of his administration's commitment to the development and prosperity of the state and its citizens. The commission and agencies with new top management include the Delta State Independent Electoral Commission, Delta State Local Government Service Commission, Delta State Contributory Health Commission, Delta State Capital Territory Development Agency, and Oborevwori and Environs Development Agency. At the joint swearing-in, Governor Oborevwori charged the state election umpire to conduct free and fair elections that reflect the will of the people and maintain democratic principles, while the Local Government Service Commission must be positioned to meet the aspirations of the masses.
In order to have free, fair, transparent and credible election, electoral officers, especially ad hoc staff, must be adequately trained. I trust that you will avoid the ugly scenario of electoral officers who are clueless about their job by ensuring that they are grounded in sound democratic election processes. Charge the members to provide strong and effective leadership that will strengthen local government administration for the purpose of meeting the needs and aspirations of our people.
Also, the governor, while inaugurating the boards of the Delta State Capital Territory Development Agency and Oborevwori and Environs Development Agency, tasked the new leadership with first-rate project execution.
This administration has zero tolerance for substandard projects. It is important that you institute a mechanism for constant monitoring and evaluation of your programs and projects to ensure that they always align with the overall policy direction of the government.
While thanking the governor separately on behalf of appointees, the chairman of Delta State Capital Territory Development Agency, Emmanuel Okoro, and his counterpart of Delta State Contributory Health Commission, Dr. Austin Obidi, said they will leave no stone unturned in improving the lives and livelihood of Deltans in line with the policy direction of the governor.
We assure you we will not fall short of your expectations. We will not disgrace our family names.
All Deltans, be rest assured that we are in a good hand.
Aside from the effective running of the various commissions and agencies, the new teams are expected to translate the development blueprint of the governor encapsulated in his MORE agenda into practical plans, policies and programs in their respective domains for accelerated gains across all walks of life in Delta State. Also in Delta State last week, elder statesman and the convener of Pan-Niger Delta Development Forum, PANDEF, Chief Dr. Edwin Clark commended Governor Oborevwori for approving the construction of 3 flyovers and road expansion projects within Oborevwori and its environs, in fulfillment of his promise to give the commercial city a facelift. The former Minister of Information gave the commendation in his first open letter to the governor on behalf of the people and elders of Oborevwori, also known as Oborevwori Boys. Chief Clark in his letter believes that, when completed, This project will put smiles on the faces of residents and fast-track socio-economic development of the area and the state at large. He, however, encouraged the governor to replicate similar projects across other towns in the state in need of government intervention and assured Governor Oborevwori of his support and goodwill.
Inside the Niger Delta,